tornado warning for northwestern Calhoun County in Illinois, southeastern Pike County in west central Illinois, east thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado is located in Arkansas. Has issued a tornado warning for northwestern northeast at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornadoes. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Pittsfield, Pleasant Hill, Clarksville, Bellevue, Independence, Bedford, Montezuma, Martinsburg, Nebo, Milton, Pearl and Time. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a well-built building away from windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.